Good morning, everybody. My name is Ivan, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of BeSmart Technologies. And my company is actually working to solve the greatest challenge agriculture has ever faced, the extinction of the honeybees. Honeybees are a vital part of life on Earth, and they are nature's own reproductive mechanism. They also give us honey, but the true value of their services is in pollination. According to the United Nations, 70% of all food crops in the world depend entirely on bee pollination. In the United States alone, honeybees add over $15 billion of value to American agriculture every year. And now, here's the problem. Bees are dying. Trillions of those little laborers are dying, and our lives depend on them. So if they go, so do we. The United States Department of Agriculture reported that last year, American beekeepers lost 42% of all their colonies. A year earlier, that percentage was 30. By comparison, the historic norm has always been between 4 and 7%, which means that now honeybees are dying more than 10 times the normal rate. And these staggering mortality figures are attributed to colony collapse disorder, a condition without a single identified cause or any known cure. So, if left unchecked, this problem will cause the global food production to suffer enormously. The beekeeping industry is slow to innovate and adopt new technologies. Our customers are commercial beekeepers, and for them, we created a device that can reverse the current trend, it can protect the honeybees, and it can provide all the necessary information to sustain a healthy bee population. Our solution integrates hardware and software so that we can create a real-time medical record for any bee colony. We use sensor technology so that we can extract data directly from inside the hive, and then we analyze and present this data to beekeepers in an interactive dashboard. As a result, beekeepers have access to knowledge about their bees they never had before. They can protect their bees now, they can cut down on operating costs, and they can prevent devastating losses of both bees and money. So, as I speak, actually, we're launching a beta test of our product in California to get one final round of customer feedback on their user experience. But beekeeping in the United States is just the beginning for us. We've identified 3 key growth areas that fit our vision. First, we want to expand geographically. The combined size of the American, European, and Chinese beekeeping markets is over $1 billion. But then, we can deliver benefits to other agricultural sectors, such as livestock management, with products that are very close and based on our existing value proposition. Finally, we want to go into the data market. With an infrastructure of smart beehives, we're essentially creating a smart grid of nature. Then we start using the bees as our sensors, so we can collect data on the environment, we can make predictions on agricultural output, and we can service the data needs of large medical, chemical, or pharmaceutical companies. Now, let me introduce you a little bit the team behind BeSmart Technologies. Sergey, he is the co-founder and CTO of the company. He is an aeronautics engineer, but is inspired by socially important causes. We have an amazing software developer right over there in the audience who is working on our bio-based algorithms, as well as a hardware engineer that's developing the product. My background is in investment banking, consulting, and teaching, but what really motivates me is to deliver a measurable social impact. Together, we're BeSmart Technologies. We're saving the world's honeybees and food supply through technology. So thank you very much for your attention. And please help us build the Internet of Nature. Thank you.